Before I started selling on Amazon, I felt like I was stuck in my job and in a career that wasn't going anywhere. And I knew that I wasn't passionate about it like I was building my own business. Now we sell millions of dollars every year of our own product, something that we're building, something we believe in.
Hey, this is Andy Slammons from Amazing Freedom. I want to share with you today how one product nets me over $10,000 a month. And I share this not to brag or not to boast, but I hope that it's informative to let you know how one product can really change your life. So how do you find a product that can net you $10,000 a month? There's a lot of people that are in the Amazon space that talk about finding products that make them $1,000 a month or make them $1,000 a day. Unfortunately, I think most of the time they're talking about revenue. There's a big difference between revenue and profit. And a lot of chatter that I hear out there are people boasting and bragging about revenue. And you know what? Revenue is madness. It does not matter what your top line revenue is. You could be selling $4 million a year, but you may only be bringing home $10,000 net profit of that $4 million, and you're really spinning your wheels. So what we like to talk about at Amazing Freedom is profit. There's a very popular book out called Profit First. That's how we like to operate our business. So how did I find a product that nets me $10,000 a month? This is the first thing that you want to do when you're looking for potential products on Amazon. You want to go with products that are not saturated. So we often tell people stay away from the supplement market. Supplements are very tough, very hard. You want to find a niche where there's only one or two sellers on Amazon. However, those one or two sellers are getting a decent amount of sales. So that's the first step. Find a niche, find a product that is selling on Amazon, but has relatively few offerings. So that's what I did with this product. And this was actually a product that I brought to the Amazon marketplace in 2015. And 5 years later, this is still one of my top products that nets me over $10,000 a month. So when I brought this product to Amazon, immediately it started to sell. So it was like a double or a triple. And it was the sales revenue was really good, the margin on it was really good. So what did I do then to get it to that point where it now nets me $10,000 a month? I began to build out variations of that product. So the first thing I did is I created multi-pack bundles. So I went from offering 1 unit to offering 2 units and 3 units on that listing. And then I actually created 3 other separate listings that are basically color variations. So this is one of the things you want to do when you do hit a private label product that is a double or a triple. You want to begin to build out that product through multi-packs, through variations. You may even want to build out products that are similar that can be tied back to that initial double or triple, because that's how you're going to increase the revenue. But ultimately what you want to do is increase the net profit for that product. So now I have 6 different listings of basically the same product, but just built out on color variations and a little bit of differentiation on the material of the product. And that's a life-changing product. I mean, can you imagine having an income of $10,000 a month and it's just one product? But that's the power of the Amazon sales channel when you source the right way and when you bring potential products to the Amazon marketplace that are not oversaturated. So that's what we often teach our students. I hope that's helpful to you. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. If you could do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe below. Check out all of our other videos that are about all things selling on Amazon and private label. And join us in our Facebook group where we are on a daily basis answering questions from thousands of other successful private label sellers on Amazon.
You may ask yourself, what is Amazing Freedom?
Amazing Freedom is a community that we started several years ago to connect Amazon sellers to share best practices.